welcome to my channel, that is Solid Master. Today I will show you our next video, that is the remaining components of machine voice. On yesterday I have shown you the 5 components that I have made it. Now our next part will be this. As you can see it, movable jaw, screw rod, handle cap, washer, clamping plate and screw. These all parts I will cover in this video. So let's begin to start. First I will make movable jaw. So for this I will choose right plane, sketch, select center line, draw 2 lines having different axis. One is horizontal axis, now draw a sketch. First draw rough sketch so that we can easily apply the dimensions. Select a smart dimension, apply here first, that is 50 mm. Now take add relation, select this point and this point, select vertical axis line, take symmetry, okay. Now again choose smart dimension, make it 35 mm. Take this line and this line, 25 mm. Now choose this and this, take 3 mm. Choose this line and this, make it 5 mm. Now our sketch is almost fully defined. Now take this and this, take 10 mm. Now our last part will be make fillet. Use sketch fillet, take 10 mm radius, select the top point here, you can see it, okay. Now again choose fillet only, it will remain as it is, only the change is take radius 3 mm now and use this corner point, apply, okay. Now our sketch is fully complete, so exit it, go to extrude from features, choose end condition as mid plane, take 100 mm distance. See, it is applied it. Click OK. Now select this plane, front plane of the model. Left click, sketch, press Ctrl 8 button. Take center line from sketch command manager. Draw one center line from the point that I had started. Take a point from sketch command manager. Apply the points. Then apply dimension. Make it 60 mm. As you can see, this is not symmetry now. So to make it symmetry, first use add relations. Select this point and this. First make it horizontal. Make sure it will be horizontal axis only. Okay. Now again use add relation. Select the entities, this point and this. Now select this vertical axis. Apply symmetry. Okay. Use smart dimension. Select these points and this edge and apply the dimension. Make it as 15.5 mm. Okay. Now we have to make a hole of 2 holes, diameter 5 mm, deep 13, and tap will be M6 and that of deep will be 10 mm. So make hole wizard. Choose hole wizard from features. Take legacy hole. Type will be C board drill. Now the diameter first will be 5 mm. Take bore diameter 6. Depth will be 10. And this step will be 13. Actually what happens that the end condition is up to next I have selected wrongly, so I have choose now blind. So you can change the length of depth 13 mm. Now make sure of it. Now apply position. Take here position 3D sketch. Now our hole has been selected for it. Choose the point that we have created. Select this point and this point. Click OK. See, our holes has been applied, hole wizard. So hide this sketch. Now again select rectangle, right plane, sketch, normal to profile. Select here corner rectangle, or first I will take center line so that it will be easily be symmetry. Use smart dimension, select this line and this. Height will be 45 mm and the length will be 50 mm. Okay. Click OK. Take extrude boss. Direction 1 end condition will be from mid plane. Use 40 mm distance, from this side 20 and this side 20. Click OK. Now here we have to make a one hole which having thread 20 by 2. Select this plane, sketch, normal, apply center line, select circle from sketch command manager, draw one circle to this vertical axis. Select smart dimension. First I will give the distance of it, so select this edge to this point. Distance will be 27 and diameter of this circle will be 20 mm. Okay. Now use extrude cut from feature, extrude up to next. Okay. Now our extrude cut has been done. We have to give cosmetic thread, so go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. Select this edge of the cut extruded. It will automatically select the type of threads and the size. You can change it also by using drag this. Make M22 into 2. Okay. To show the shaded thread, we will go to options, select option, document properties, go to detailing, click this shaded cosmetic thread as you can see here. Click this. Okay. Now our shaded cosmetic thread is applied. You can see. Now select this bottom plane, sketch, select the center line, select the point, center point that we have created in extrude. Again select the center line, take a point from sketch command manager, draw it anywhere, make sure it will become on this section only. Use smart dimension, select the 2 points, make it 24 mm, but it is not a symmetry, so apply the symmetry, add relations, select this point and this, make it symmetry, and this vertical line. Now use smart dimension again, make it 25 mm, okay, exit. Now here also we have to apply hole wizard, so go to features, hole wizard, take legacy hole, type will be C border drill, section dimensions will be same as early that I have made, you can see it. Now go to positions, 3D sketch, select the points that we have created from sketch, select this and this. Now right click. Now our points have been applied and our hole has been done, you can see it. Now hide this sketches, our movable Java model has been made. You can give appearances here of any type you can want. I will choose this color, okay. Now go to save it. Make sure that you will make 2 folders here, one that is for components of machine wise and another one will be assembly. I have made component files of this machine wise, you can save it here. First I will give the name, save. Now we will go to next component that I will made, new part, okay. So our next component will be handle cap. To make it, go to top plane, sketch, choose circle, apply dimension, or make 16 mm diameter. Exit, go to extrude boss, give the depth 12 mm. Select the face, sketch, go to circle, take dimension 5 mm, go to exit, go to extrude cut, enter the depth value will be 5 mm. OK, take fillet, make the radius 1 mm. As you can see here, fillet type will be constant size only. Choose the edge. You can see the edge has been selected here, so click OK. Now our handle cap has been made. Just I want to apply one appearances here. Now I will go to our next component. Save this. Close the file. New parts. OK. So our next component will be washer. I will choose extrude boss, select top plane, take the circle from command manager, sketch command manager, draw one circle from origin point, use smart dimension, apply 32 mm dia. OK. Now again go to circle, take point from origin, apply the dimension to it, 10.5 mm. The distance will be 6 mm. Click OK. Now our third component has been made. I will apply some appearances here. You can also apply the material here. I will choose black color here to this. Click OK. Now save as. Close the component. So our next component will be clamping plate. So I again select the part. OK. Select top plane, sketch, center rectangle, use smart dimension, (50 mm) and this will be also 50 mm. It will be square plate. So close the dialog box, exit, use extrude boss, extrude up to 8 mm. OK. Now select this face, top face, sketch, center rectangle, select the points, again select one center line from horizontal direction, as you can see here. Now give the dimension to this wall. Make 24 mm. OK. Go to add relation, select the point and this point, take vertical axis, apply symmetry. Exit. Why I have given the points? Because we have to apply the again hole wizard here. So go to features, hole wizard, select the hole wizard. This time I will choose the type will be countersunk. So here first diameter will be 6.3. C-sink diameter will be 12 mm. And angle will be C angle will be 90 degree. Depth will be 8. As you can see our all dimensions here. Make sure the end condition will be blind. If it is up to nest, then it will not select the depth, then you cannot change the length of the depth. So make sure of it. Take position, 3D sketch. Apply the hole where we have created the sketch points. Right click on it. Now hide the sketches that we have created. Now our component has been made finished. You can check the section view also. Press Ctrl 8. It is same as it is that we have created. Now our remaining two components I will make it. You can choose any color to apply it. I will prefer this red color. Okay. Save this component. Close this. Select the part. Okay. Now this time I will make our second last component, that is screw rod. So take front plane. Now sketch. Apply center line. Take a line command. This time I will use revolve command, so take a half rough sketch so that the revolve command will be easily done. Make sure that our sketch will be closed so that the revolve command will easily apply through it. Now give the dimensions. Total dimension will be 290. This will be from here to here will be 40 mm. Select this line and this, make 18 mm. Select this line and this, take 22. Now apply the diameters. Select this center line, vertical axis center line to this line. First make it 32 mm. For this will be select center line to this line make it 20 mm. This will be 12 mm. And the last one will be 10 mm. If you want to give this, you can give it this lane and this. But make sure it will make over defined, so cancel is. So I will use select this line, fix it, but again it shows over defined, so I will delete this relation. Okay. Now applied revolve command. See how revolve has been applied here. These have chosen our vertical axis line, and revolution will be 360 mm, 360 degree. Sorry. Click OK. Now select again front plane, sketch. We have to apply here one hole of diameter 10 mm and distance will be 22. So again take center line, or you can also use circle also. Take it from origin point, give the dimensions. Height will be 20 mm. Use 10 mm diameter. Click OK. Now our circle has been fully defined. Make sure you have to give vertical axis center line from origin. So exit it. Use extrude cut. Select also direction 2. Make through all, and the end condition also will be through all for direction 2. Click OK. Now from top of the edge I have to give a chamfer, so go to fillet, select fillet option, chamfer. Take here distance will be, no, it is actually fillet, sorry. Select radius fillet Make radius 3 mm. Select this edge. Okay. Now go to insert, annotations, use cosmetic thread, select this edge, use end condition will be blind, it will be 290 minus minus 210 minus 20. Okay, go to options, document properties, detailing, shaded, apply shaded cosmetic thread. Okay. Actually it will, you can edit it by using right click on cosmetic thread. Thread will be M20 into 1.5. Or you can give 180 mm. I think it will be 160. Or you can give 170 also. Click OK. Now our second last component has been made. Only you can also here also cosmetic thread. Go to inserts, annotation, cosmetic thread, select this edge, blind end condition will be up to next. Okay, now our screw rod has been made. Only we have to give some color. You can give any type of color as you want. So save this. Closed. Now our last component will be screw. So take new part. Okay. Select front plane sketch. Normal to profile. Select center line. select line, make a rough sketch of it. Use smart dimension, select this and this point, it will be 12 mm. This, select the smart vertical axis, select the line, take 6.3 mm or 6 mm only, remain it is. Now the height will be, take this line and this end line, make it as 16 mm. This height will be, take this line and select this point, take 3 mm. Okay. Again smart dimension, take this center line and this inclined line, it will be 45 mm, but it shows over defined because our sketch is already fully defined it, so make sure of it. Click OK. Exit. Take revolve boss. Our revolve has been applied here. Click OK. Choose this bottom plane, left click on it, sketch, take circle, take a point from origin, apply dimension, make it diameter 1.6 mm. Okay. Exit. Use extrude cut. End condition will be up to next. Or you can make it blind. Up to surface you can select it. Or simply you can minus it, 16 minus 3, that is 13. So click OK. Our extrude cut has been made. Now here one cut is there, so take front plane, sketch, Take center rectangle, take center line, add relation, or you can give first dimensions. Neck 1.6 mm, (1.9 mm) depth. Now use add relation, select this point and this point and this vertical axis symmetry. Okay, now exit, go to extrude cut, select the direction to make through all, click OK. Now our screw has been made. Only we have to give a cosmetic thread here. So in options our cosmetic thread has been selected. Only go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. Size will be M20 into 2. Select this edge. Take a blind, make 13 mm. Go to options, document properties, detailing, select shaded cosmetic thread, go to save, save this as screw M6 size, save. You can apply here appearances by giving any color. Now this is our last component that I have made. In next video I will show the assembly of this all 11 components so that we can make our machine voice. Please share, subscribe my channel for more interesting projects and more videos for it. So thank you, bye bye, take care.